Hello everyone, my name is Godavari Yogaji Rodage. I am student for Adarsh College Hingoli in B.Sc second year. My today's topic is infinite series. Infinite series means a series is the sum of the terms of a sequence. Thus if u1, u2, u3 dash dash is a sequence, then the sum u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus of all the terms is called as infinite series, and it is denoted by summation of un. If the sequence Sn of partial sum converges, then the series is also converges, and limit Sn is said to be summation of un. My today's theorem is Princhem theorem. The theorem statement is, if a series summation un of positive monotonic decreasing terms converges, then not only un tends to 0 but also un tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. We know that for any convergent series the n terms un tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. We now give another necessary condition which hold for positive term series only. Let's prove. We know that for a convergent series for any epsilon greater than 0, a positive integer n exists such that therefore mod of um plus 1 plus um plus 2 plus um plus p is less than epsilon by 2 for every m is greater than equal to capital N and p is greater than equal to 1. Let us choose m plus p equal to n is greater than 2n and m equal to n by 2. The greatest integer not greater than n by 2. Therefore, um plus 1 plus um plus 2 plus un is less than epsilon by 2. But summation un is positive monotonic decreasing. Therefore, un plus un then addition to n minus m times is less than equal to um plus 1 plus um plus 2 plus un. Therefore, n minus m is un is less than equal to um plus 1 plus um plus 2 plus un is less than epsilon by 2, or 1 by 2 nun is less than 1 by 2 epsilon. Therefore, that is nun is less than epsilon for every n is greater than equal to capital N. Therefore, limit of nun equal to 0. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comments and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.